want to give you some information about this clock. The identification shows it's a A205-001 Seth Thomas. It's a Hermle movement. If you go to Clockworks, right here tells you how to determine how old a movement is. And in this case, A says it's 1988. And so you can go to back under the Hermle movements, under info, you can click on Seth Thomas Cross ID and look for that serial number 205001, and this tells you the information that you need as far as measurements and stuff. But anyway, I'm still working on the clock. I got it up and running. I need to clean the case, but I was just wanting to figure out how old it was, and it was made in 1988. I've talked to a few other people, and they're pretty cool clocks. Here's the exact same clock that I have that sold on eBay for $90 plus another $41.55. They're saying it is an antique. It's not an antique. And like I said, it's the exact same clock. If you look, it's the exact same picture. Exact same dial. The only thing I don't have is the eagle on top, which I'm sure I can get it fairly simple. And here's the exact same movement that's in my clock. So I think I did pretty darn good. Seeing I only paid about $60 for both the clock and the barometer. So I think I did good. Exact same clock. Anyway, I hope you all like this video. I'm going to put this movement together and we'll finish the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got the movement back in the clock. I got the case cleaned up. The glass is dirty. And so I got this glass cleaner here. I bought it at Menards. Sprayway glass cleaner, foaming action, ammonia-free streak, free shine. I use this on my computers, my TV. If you use any type of glass cleaner on electronics, I suggest that you unplug your electronics first. Somebody I know, his wife was cleaning a computer, I think during a rainstorm, and she got electrocuted and she's disabled now. So unplug your electronics before you clean them. It doesn't take a lot to clean up your glass. Well, that looks quite a bit better, and it's not a very loud chime. I'll show you it in action. But I got it all up and running. Now I just need to figure out a place to hang it in my house. I hope y'all like this YouTube video. And again, please subscribe to my channel. And God bless.